हेलो, नमस्ते। आप सब कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू ऑल? टुडे I'll introduce verb with you. Okay, so we will learn verb. Verb is an action. Whenever we do anything, that is called verb. Now, verb, how it is called in Hindi? What do you say to represent verb in Hindi? So we say kriya, kriya, okay, kriya. Kriya is verb in Hindi. I'm going to do some verbs with you. Today we will just do how to write or translate the verbs, the main root verb in Hindi. Because unless you understand that, we cannot go to write sentences. Believe me, you can write 100 sentences if you understand, in a pattern. Like you first learn the verb, then you learn the present tense, then continuous, then perfect. Okay? So today we are going to do just the practice of verb as a root verb, the root word. That is, suppose it is first. Okay, let's do the first. It is study. पढ़ना. Study, पढ़ना means to study is पढ़ना in Hindi. And I just write a sentence for this so that you can connect to it. Okay, so Sita study. Normally says studies in it, because it is a singular noun. So you will add es, ies or s, es or s. So it is studies. So Sita पढ़ती है. Now, पढ़ना is the root word. The way study becomes studies, so पढ़ना becomes पढ़ती है. Because in Hindi we always, like when you say Sita study, so it's imperative, like we all know that hai is obvious, like is obvious. So here in Hindi we have to write HAI है. सीता पढ़ती है. सीता पढ़ती है. And if it is for a boy, it will be राम पढ़ता है. Okay? Now, second. Cry. रोना. रोना. Okay? So it will become सीता रोती है. राम रोता है. Next. Sleep. सोना. So you can again fit the same thing. सीता सोती है. राम सोता है. भागना. To run. तो सीता भागती है. राम भागता है. Sit. बैठना. सीता बैठती है. राम बैठता है. Eat. खाना. सीता खाती है. राम खाता है. Go. जाना. 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 सीता जाती है. राम जाता है. Come. आना. आना. सीता आती है, राम आता है. Have, to feel or feel. सीता महसूस करती है. Okay, to have will be okay. I gave you this for feel, sorry. Okay, feel महसूस. सीता महसूस करती है, राम महसूस करता है. So this is a basic structure. If you understand the basics, you can actually learn the Hindi. Because see, if you are here for learning spoken Hindi, then anybody will teach you 100 sentences and you buy a book learning 100 sentences. But if you understand a logic, just one or two logics, so you can frame 100 sentences. So my devotion and dedication only makes me think that I teach you to frame sentences rather than thinking that someone will give you some sentences and you will learn them. Because this is just the way you started learning English, you learn Hindi, you learn maths, just the basics. And believe me, if you want to go even to India, you want to travel India, you want to travel any part of India, or you interact with people, you really, really need it. And just if you focus 10 days, you can do a lot. I will not give you numbers. I'll just say a lot, because that depends on how much you gain, how much you understand, how much you practice. But 10 days is nothing, right? If you love Hindi, you want to understand the Hindi movies, you want to sing, you want to understand Hindi movies or songs, so you have to think that way. Fine? I have not written the sentences for each of the verb because I want you to tell me if you understand, if you did practice, that's why. Okay? So let's end this session now. Thank you.